For a review, the smartphone has a lot of interesting features that make it stand out from the crowd. Without further ado, let's see what the new Mi Note has to show us. A black box the smartphone ships in is really well made. Inside we have a power adapter, a USB Type-C charging cable, a headphone jack adapter, a silicone case and user manual. Mi Note 3 is a bigger Mi 6 but as stylish. Don't they look like the siblings to you? Mi Note 3 has aluminum alloy frame with a black panel being made of glass. The front is entirely occupied by a large 5.5-inch screen, featuring a multifunctional button with a fingerprint sensor under it and two touch buttons. A front camera, a speaker and a light sensor are sitting in the upper part of the phone. At the rear of the smartphone you will find a dual camera module and a dual-core LED flash. A SIM card slot is on the phone's left edge, while the right edge is given to the volume controls and lock button. At the bottom of the smartphone there is a USB Type-C connector and a speaker with a microphone. On top we have IR blaster to control smart devices. Journalists say that Mi Note 3 has a more compact body design than iPhone 6 Plus, although both smartphones have the same display size. With that, the smartphone makes a decent argument for itself in everyday use. Despite having not the smallest screen, Mi Note 3 is lightweight, just like Mi 6. You will be able to tuck the smartphone into the pocket of your jeans or trousers. The only thing to pay attention to is a glass back panel that makes the smartphone slide off smooth surfaces. At the heart of Xiaomi Mi Note 3 lies the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor, which demonstrates exceptional performance along with amazing energy efficiency. There is no memory card slot as the smartphone comes with either 64GB or 128GB RAM. The blue version comes with only 128GB of flash memory. The smartphone is also equipped with a 6GB of RAM, which at the moment is one of the highest RAM numbers in the class. Thus, any modern game will work smoothly and won't lag. MIUI works fast, we don't have a single complaint about it. The display of Mi Note 3 got shrunk compared to previous generation. The last Mi Note smartphone has 5.7-inch screen, and here we have 5.5-inch one. Besides, OLED in Mi Note 2 changed into IPS in Mi Note 3. What didn't change was a Full HD resolution. The display looks spectacular and offers advanced color gamut settings, ability to reduce brightness to one nit and special reading mode. In the direct sunlight it works perfectly, the image does not look pale and easy to read. Xiaomi Mi Note 3 is equipped with the same camera module as Mi 6. There are two 12-megapixel cameras, each with a different lens, one with aperture of 1.8 wide-angle lens and the other with an aperture of 2.6 telephoto lens. A 4-axis image stabilization system provides crisp shots even when your hands shake. The telephoto lens has a 2-time optical zoom that allows you to create photos with a blurred background, which is the so-called bokeh effect previously available in the mirror cameras. The front camera offers 16 megapixels and supports adaptable AI Beautify selfie correction. It can remove wrinkles, even out the tone of your skin tone and even change your face shape. With the help of the front camera you can unlock the smartphone. If you are uncomfortable unlocking the device with a fingerprint scanner, for example, when your hands are wet, just look into the camera and the smartphone will be unlocked. Unfortunately, at the moment this feature works only in Chinese version. There is a 3500 mAh battery beating inside the Mi Note 3, which allows you to use the smartphone for 2 days without recharging. It's a very good result taking into account all of the above specs. Mi Note 3 supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, fast charging technology that lets you to fully charge the battery in an hour. Xiaomi Mi Note 3, a bigger brother of Mi 6, is ideal for those who like massive smartphones with a solid performance. Cool cameras, stylish design, fast processing unit, brilliant display and impressive functionality